In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress on Hostinger. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete beginner, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll have a brand new WordPress site ready to go. Let's begin by visiting Hostinger's website. Once you're on Hostinger, you'll want to log into your account. For those new to Hostinger, you'll need to create an account first, but assuming you already have one, simply enter your credentials and log in. Once logged in, you'll arrive at your dashboard. This is where you can manage all aspects of your hosting services. Next, you'll see a list of your hosted domains and services. Look for the service you want to manage and click on the Manage button. This will take you to the settings page for that specific service. Here, you have access to a variety of management tools, but today, our focus will be on installing WordPress. Now, let's click on the website option in the sidebar. This is where you can manage everything related to your website setup. Once you're in the website management section, look for the Auto Installer option. This tool is your best friend when it comes to installing applications like WordPress with just a few clicks. After clicking Auto Installer, you'll see a list of applications you can install. Among those options, find and select WordPress. Hostinger's one-click installer makes this process incredibly straightforward. Once you click on WordPress, you'll be prompted to enter some basic information to set up your new site. It's time to choose a title for your website. The website title is what visitors will see in their browser tab when they visit your site. Think about a name that best represents the purpose or identity of your site. Enter this name into the provided field. After you've set the title, you can click on the Next button. The installer will begin to set up WordPress in the background, and within moments, you'll have a fully operational WordPress site. Once the installation is complete, you'll be provided with a link to log into your WordPress dashboard, where you can start customizing your site with themes and plugins, and there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've successfully installed WordPress using Hostinger's intuitive platform. From here, you're free to explore the endless possibilities of WordPress, from setting up your first post to choosing a theme that resonates with your vision. Remember, building a website is a journey, and with WordPress as your platform, the sky is the limit. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging.